Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how to get virtual card on Cash App. So let's get started. Getting a virtual Cash App card is quick, easy, and incredibly convenient. To start, open your Cash App and tap on the second icon at the bottom of the screen, which looks like a card. This will direct you to the Meet Cash App Cards section, where you'll find all the information you need about the card. Once you're ready, click on Get Your Free Card to proceed. From here, you'll be able to choose from a variety of card designs. Each style will show you the price below it, so you can pick one that fits your preferences. If you want something simple, you can select the sleek black or white card. However, if you'd like to add a personal touch, there's also an option to customize the card with a design of your choice. Once you've chosen your preferred look, simply tap Order Card to move forward. The next step is to enter your address, which is required for shipping the physical card to you. But here's the best part. Your Cash App card also functions as a virtual card. After ordering, you can add your Cash App card to any mobile wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay to make instant, secure payments online or in apps. This makes it even more convenient to use your card for all kinds of transactions without needing the physical version right away. So, whether you're looking to shop online, pay for services, or simply manage your funds in a digital wallet, getting a virtual Cash App card is a hassle-free and stylish way to do it all. And that's it, you are done.